Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is CTE Part 2 in SQL Server. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. In the previous part 1 of this CTE, we have discussed about how we can create and use the CTE. Now in this video we can discuss about how you can create multiple CTs and you can use those multiple CTs in a single query. So this is the first CT with sales CT as, and this is a query I have written here. By running this query I got this salesperson ID, total sales and the year. I used the AdventureWorks database, and now this is a second query. It is with CT sales quota CT. Now let's run this one. So this I got it here, business entity ID, sales quota and the year. So now to join these two CTs, what we need to write here, the query, this is as usual the first query, the first CT, it starts from sales CT, start from salesperson ID, and this is what it is. And once it is done, we had to use the comma here, use comma to separate multiple CT definitions. So I use comma here and then we can start the second CT, but we had to use without the with function. So directly I have taken the name here sales quota CT as, and this is a query I have written here. So now we have created two CTs in a single query, sales CT and then sales quota CT. So now joining these two CTs, so I am considering the sales CT as A alias name and then the sales quota CT as alias B. So joining these two CTs on a business entity ID equal to salesperson ID and the sales year equal to be the quota year. As discussed on the previous video itself, that this CT will become act as a temporary table inside the query. So these two have now become a table and we can use this as a regular view or a table in our the next query. So I use the select EA.salesperson ID, sales year ID and then total sales from the sales CTA and join the sales CTB. So now I am going to select these queries from this here to here and then execute. Now I got this result as salesperson ID and this is the year and this is the total sales, which three of the values are coming from the table 1, table A, salesperson ID, sales year and total sales. From this the sales quota year, sales quota and this is a subtraction of the sales quota minus total sales amount above or below the quota. So here the total sales is 32,000 whereas the quota is 126, so it is below here. Whereas here 516 total sales, the quota is 471, so it is above here. Now it's a recap. To create the first CT we have to begin with function, and then once it is done we have to use the comma here. For the next CT we don't have to use the with function, we can directly write the CT name and then the query. Once these two are done, we can use the regular procedure how we are joining the tables, the two tables or two views in SQL Server. So this is all about how you can create the multiple CT and how you can able to reuse the CT inside the SQL Server query. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.